Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of. See here, this is the previous product, the digital weighing machine. I just unboxed. If you want this unboxing video, just find it in the description. But now in this video, I bought this on the Flipkart, and this is this sealing machine like Karshu lifestyle portable mini sealing machine 2-in-1 rechargeable heat sealing machine. Okay, in most of the cases, we use some snacks or food packets, and we'll use half part of the package and we'll just keep it for some other time. The main problem is there won't be any proper sealing of the package what we open. So in that case, this sealing machine, which is rechargeable, the main thing I purchased this is it is rechargeable. See here, in the package, this is the charging cable. This is C type charging cable only. C type A to type C charging cable, right? They have provided here. And what else? Maybe this is the user manual. Okay, what is this? Okay, maybe sticking. Okay, I'll keep this aside. Maybe this is the power on. See here, when I switch on this, there is a light indicator and we need to charge it from this port. Okay, just like your mobile. Okay, you can just charge it. So just for the testing purpose, I'll be sealing one of the cover. Okay, maybe I'll turn off this once. I need to press it like this. Press it means we need to just if it is open, we need to insert it here and we need to press it like this. Once we turn on this, with the heat it gets sealed. Okay, what is this? This is another type. Both I'll test. Okay, see, as I mentioned, the main problem is we open food packages like this, and after some use we just keep it like this, right? But instead of this, the air should be properly sealed. So what I'm doing is I'm just folding this like this, and I'll be switching on this. Okay, it is turned on. Let me just remove this one for a moment. I'll be just folding this like this, and I'll be putting it here. Okay, actually it got sealed. Actually there is no air here, but I didn't do it properly. That's the reason, but I'll try it once more. Okay, fine. Yeah, see here, it's actually got sealed here. Means if there is a proper package, I can seal it properly. It is my mistake only. See, yes, this got sealed here. If you can see here, maybe I can do a little bit properly. Yeah, see here, yes, it is my mistake actually. I need to learn it first properly to seal this. Okay, maybe I can read this user manual how to use it, then I can properly use it. But now see here, the seal is properly packed. Okay, just for the testing purpose I sealed it here also. It is the air got sealed inside. Now the food inside will be properly air sealed, so it would be remaining fresh for few days. Okay, yeah, please do comment how do you feel about this product. See here, this product, if you want a review video of this, I'll be just posting a video once I use this machine for sealer length 10 mm, seal thickness 20 mm. Okay, one portable sealing machine, and we need to keep the charging portable mini sealing machine, 2-in-1 use chargeable heat sealing machine, handheld sealer. Okay, yeah, battery type rechargeable. And can we check the weight of this just for the tutorial purpose, and just placing it over here. This got like less than 40 grams. Okay, see here, very lightweight, very lightweight. Okay, very lightweight, 38 grams. And this uh, digital weighing machine and this tatka from Indus Valley. See here, this tatka from Indus Valley, I did the unboxing in the previous video. If you want to check those details, see here, this is the digital machine I purchased for 280 rupees, and this is the Indus Valley precision cast iron tawa. I'll be placing the links in the description for full unboxing of these two products. Let's check it here. In the next video, I'll be unboxing this t-shirt from the Snapdeal, which I purchased for 280 rupees. If you want that also, just check in the description. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.